Hello students, welcome everyone. So we were discussing very important chapter quadrilateral of our NCERT book, and in this quadrilateral a very interesting theorem is there, that is midpoint theorem. It's quite interesting as well as it is easier. Okay, there are a number of questions from this theorem which come in the exam, and it is also interesting and it is also very easy to solve. So one more question we are having, that question number 5 from our NCERT book and exercise 8.2. Just have a look what this question is saying. So in this question, ABCD, it is a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD, it is a parallelogram, and E and F, they are the midpoints. For AB, E is the midpoint. For CD, F is the midpoint. Okay, this one is the F. And what is given to us? We have to show this line segment, this AF and CE, the line segment we have drawn. It trisect the diagonal BD, means we have to prove that these three parts are equal. These we need to prove. Okay, now see the solution, how we will prove it. So first of all, what the things are given to us? That ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, and E is midpoint of AB, or you can say that E and F, they are midpoint of AB and CD respectively. This is given to us. Okay, now what we need to prove? We need to prove that these two line segment, that AF and CE, it trisect BD, means we need to prove these three parts as equal, that BQ, it is equals to PQ and it is equals to PD. We need to prove that these three parts are equal. Okay, now see the proof, how we will prove it. So before proving it, what we know, that this ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, if ABCD is a parallelogram, then what we are having, that opposite sides are equal and parallel. AB is parallel to DC and AB is equals to DC. These we are having because it is a parallelogram. Okay, so if these are equal, then what we can say, that their half are also equal. Okay, if AB is equals to DC, then half of AB, it is equals to half of DC. जब कंप्लीट इक्वल है, पूरी लाइन इक्वल है, तो उनका आधा भी इक्वल होगा, हाफ भी इक्वल होगा. ओके, सो हाफ ऑफ AB, what we have, AE. AE is also equals to half of this CD, means CF. A is equals to CF. Okay, and what we can say regarding it, that we can also say that AE is parallel to CF. Why? Because AB is parallel to DC. So their portion, their part are also parallel. Okay, so from here what we can get, that in quadrilateral AECF, in quadrilateral AECF, one part is parallel as well as equal. One side is parallel and equal also. Okay, so AECF is a parallelogram. Okay, so AECF हमारा क्या हो गया, parallelogram हो गया. AECF is a parallelogram. So if AECF is a parallelogram, then its opposite side are also parallel, means AF is parallel to EC, and their portion are also parallel, means AP is parallel to EQ and PF is parallel to CQ. Okay, their portion are also equal. Why we are doing this? Because we will utilize these portions. Okay, so we are doing like that. Now see how we will do the rest of the question. Now we will take the triangles. Okay, what triangle we are taking? First of all, we will take this one triangle. Have a look carefully, this triangle. What is this triangle? In triangle, the name of this triangle is BCD. then PA in triangle BPA. So in this triangle, E is midpoint of AB and EQ is parallel to AP. EAP का midpoint है as well as this line AP is parallel to this EQ. So what you can say that this Q is midpoint of BP, and the reason is by converse of midpoint theorem, by converse of midpoint theorem. Okay, now see, if Q is midpoint of BP, then what we get from here, that BQ is equals to PQ. This is our first equation. Okay, how we will do it? First of all, we will take this triangle. So in this triangle, E is midpoint of this one and this EQ is parallel to this one. Then Q is also midpoint of BQ by the converse of midpoint theorem. Now the similar thing we will repeat with this triangle. Just have a close look with this triangle. The same thing we will repeat here. This one is the midpoint and this line is parallel to that one. So P is also the midpoint. So these two pairs are also equal. Just see how we will write. Just see how we will take this upper one triangle. Okay, we will take in triangle DQC. So in this triangle, F is midpoint of CD and FP is parallel to CQ, so P is midpoint of DQ, and the reason is by converse of midpoint theorem. Okay, if P is midpoint of DQ, then what we find, that DP is equals to PQ. Okay, now from first equation BP is equals to PQ, from second equation PQ is equals to DP. So from equation 1 and 2, this BQ is equals to PQ is equals to DP. So here we have proved that this diagonal BD, it is trisecting by these two lines. So this is the proof for it. Okay, so now only the last question is left of our exercise. So that last question we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.